Cryptocurrency prices, they're showing their volatility today, but not necessarily in a good way right now. As the price of Bitcoin is falling back, the price of Ethereum is falling back, the price of shibainu coin, Dogecoin, Terra Luna Classic, XRP, go on down the list. Cryptocurrency is pulling back today as the SEC seems to not want to, at least as of right now, approve these Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. So in this video, we're going to be going over what the latest coming out of the SEC is and kind of going over some new timelines or windows out there because a lot of people were actually expecting a Bitcoin ETF to be passed today. We had a brief window from November 9th to November 17th where applications were set to expire and so on, and that led and fueled a lot of the speculation recently, driving the price of Bitcoin and these other cryptocurrencies higher. So let's talk about the latest, what the SEC is doing, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. So please be aware if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And finally, I want to say thank you to everybody who's going onto Amazon, buying your brand new favorite hoodie, your brand new bro merch, all that good stuff. And I want to do a giveaway starting in December. So if you guys want to win, I bought a box of hoodies. If you want to win some hoodies all throughout December, make sure to go out. If you leave a review on any of those items out there, you will be eligible to win a free hoodie. So make sure to do that, and hopefully you guys can get a nice Christmas present in time for Christmas to hit. Let's discuss what's going on with Bitcoin, with these ETFs, and with the SEC right now, because it's causing a pullback. And we need to understand why price action moves so that it can make us better investors in the future. This headline says that SEC delays decision over the conversion of the Hashdex Bitcoin Futures ETF to spot. The SEC delays a ruling on proposed rule change related to converting Bitcoin and Ethereum futures ETFs filed by Hashdex and Grayscale to spot ETFs. The agency said it would make a decision by January 1st, 2024. They said that they would make a decision before that. Now they're saying they're going to make a decision by January 1st. So, does that mean that they're going to make a decision by January 1st? No, absolutely not. That simply means that they're going to come out and tell us that they've either made a decision or they need more time to make a decision once we get closer to the new year. So it goes on, and it talks a little bit about reasoning and so on. It says the Securities and Exchange Commission has decided it needs more time before deciding. Well, at least they decided something, right? The SEC is about as worth. All right. Nothing but positivity, right? We got the SEC out there needing some more time to decide about these Bitcoin spot ETFs. It's decided it needed more time as to whether or not to allow a Bitcoin futures ETF and Ethereum futures ETF to convert into spot ETFs. The agency declared Wednesday in separate filings. In response to the September filing for Hashdex, Bitcoin's futures ETF application, which proposed converting its exchange-traded fund listed on the New York Stock Exchange into a spot product, the SEC said in a filing that it would take another 45 days before coming to a conclusion or a decision on the matter by January 1st, 2024. Now, I don't know why they need another 45 days. I don't know why or what they're discussing out there or even if they're working, but I know that this period of time between Thanksgiving and New Year's is amongst the slowest in any office out there. These people are not going to be working. They're going to be in holiday mode. They're going to be in New Year's mode. They are going to be in no work till the new year mode. So I actually wouldn't expect a decision to be made at all by the SEC until sometime in 2024. And honestly, Kevin O'Leary, I don't know if you guys have seen him out there, but he's been quoted as saying, and I haven't seen him say it directly, but I've read the headlines, right? He's been saying that a spot Bitcoin ETF could take another 18 months before it gets approval. So we could have a long time for this speculation to kind of fade out and the excitement to fade out if the SEC doesn't get their act together and actually work. It says, the commission finds it appropriate to designate a longer period within which to take action on the proposed rule change so that it is sufficient time to consider the proposed rule change on the issues raised herein. The SEC said in a statement, Hashdex's bid to convert an existing Bitcoin ETF into a spot vehicle is unique because the fund manager proposes holding a mix of Bitcoin futures contracts, spot Bitcoin, and cash in order to avoid risks of market manipulation. Other major organizations like Fidelity and BlackRock are seeking the approval needed to launch Spot Bitcoin, man. What is going on right now? Spot Bitcoin ETFs of their own. The promise of spot Bitcoin ETFs getting approval have helped buoy a rebounding crypto market. And then it goes on to talk about Ethereum ETFs and the delay of that decision as well. Guys, we have seen, and here's the question I get asked a lot. What happens if they deny it? What happens if they say, we're going to take it off the table for now? What happens if the speculation surrounding these ETFs completely fades? Well, I answered this question in a live stream yesterday, so it's still fresh. If you look at the recent rally in Bitcoin, going from roughly 25, okay, 25 is a major level of support, but it was somewhere between 25 and 28. If you look at the rally between 25,000 and the 38,000 that Bitcoin just touched, it was all on speculation of an ETF approval. The entirety of those gains were on excitement surrounding an ETF approval. The market pricing in that Bitcoin approval or that ETF approval. If it gets denied, if it gets delayed, well, of course, none of that speculation would hold true. Of course, none of those gains in the cryptocurrency market should be there. Because if they were all on speculation of an ETF approval and it gets denied, it negates the reason for the rise. So I would absolutely expect a decent sized pullback to the tune of possibly even 30% in the overall cryptocurrency market if these ETFs are straight up denied, or if the SEC continues to drag their feet and they end up saying, no, we're going to keep pushing this down the road with actually no deadline in sight. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, do you believe that this is the reason Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market is falling today? And do you think that the SEC will actually make a decision by New Year's? And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And don't forget, guys, if you leave a review on any of the bro merch out on Amazon, I'm going to be giving away a bunch of hoodies throughout December. And one of the ways that we're going to be doing it is to anybody who leaves a review, you are eligible to win a brand new bro hoodie. So let us know what you guys think about them. Let us know what you think about the merch. And of course, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.